Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add cover to your videos in CapCut PC. If you're new to CapCut PC and you don't know how to add cover to your videos, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app. Now, click on Create Project to create a new project. Here, click on Import to import the video that you want to add cover photo to. For now, I'll choose this video. Click on Import. Now, firstly, we'll have to add it to the timeline. To do that, simply drag it to the timeline like this. Now here, you can see the option of cover. Click on it. From this section, you can design the cover for your video using these templates like this. And once you're happy with your cover photo, simply click on Save. And here you can see the cover photo and click on Export. And click on Export again to export your video with the cover. And just like this, we can add cover to our videos in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.